Hello there. What's saying, Royal Family? It is your girl Lay of Natural Lay, and I am here with an unboxing or unveiling video. I have, I've had this package for a minute. I ain't even gone front, you feels me? But I wanted to make sure that I sent this goddess's package out before I made this video. And so I'm finally going to open it. My Hawaiian goddess and I decided to do a swap. We decided to send, I don't know why I'm hearing pound for pound, because that's the west side of me. But we decided to do a swap of items for the same amount, more or less. And so I wanted to open this video on camera just to show love. So I want to give a huge shout out to my Hawaiian goddess, Kaylani Andrews, aka K&J Handcrafted. Please make sure you follow her at KNJ _ handcrafted. Okay, so we decided to swap some items for this beautiful season, and I'm finally going to open this package, and I want to show you guys as I unveiled this. So without further ado, let me open it. Yes. And just for the record, ooh, my whole earring done came out. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, I had my ear cuff in. It decided to come out. But I wanted to give her a huge shout out. She has been a royal family member for a minute. Un minuto, you feel me? And I wanted to give her love by making this video and sharing, tagging, all that stuff, because I'm all about putting people on. And so she deserves all these accolades and all this love. So you guys are going to watch me unbox. Unbox this package live. Look at that. Aloha, Hawaii. Aloha to all my Hawaii royal family. Aloha to all my royal family members. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, turn on your post notifications so you can be a part of the royal notification gang. And before I continue, stay magical always. You already know the motto of the Empire. Make sure you cop your Empire merchandise from our Empire Merchandise Teespring store. This is considered the OG design. This will not be available after January, because we're going to discontinue it and roll out a new design. So if you want to show your royal family love, support this channel, support future content, we would appreciate that so much. Thank you. Mwah. So without further ado, let's open it. Ow! And again, thank you so much to my Hawaiian goddess, Kaylani Andrews. I love you so much. Make sure you follow her, KNJ _ handcrafted. Let's get it. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Woo. Whoop, 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 whoop. Uh-oh. We got one side open. I am terrible with opening packages. Don't mind me. Let me do what I does. Let me do it. And if you're a wig company, we would love to sponsor you, support you. I wear wigs, obviously. And I would shout you out as well, give you some likes and stuffs and all that. Woo! Okay, here we go. Here we go. Ooh, shit, bitch. Okay, hold on. Let me make one more cut. Okay. Ah! Kaylani! There's a note. Y'all know I love notes. Coming soon this January 2020. I love professional shit like this. This box was especially created for Malaysia. Inside this box, you will find the Christmas wrapping. I felt like it was something that would be a great addition to your tools on your intuitive journey. Also includes a healing stone, so maybe this is good for wiping off the bad vibes you may get when you are out and about from club crowds, or for clearing stuck energy. It is not a friend to water and should be it's not a friend to water and should be avoided at all costs, but it loves to cleanse, to self-cleanse. Child, I can't read, I'm so sorry. In the moonlight. Other things that you will find inside your box are candles. I have sent you one of each size that I currently have on hand. The tin can candle. Ooh, girl. So I liked one of her candles. She sent multiples. Oh, shit. I wanted to mahalo you for being such an amazing inspiration and positive role model for me, and for being the wonderful you that you are. I am truly blessed to have found you while I was on my own spiritual journey to finding my calling, working my craft. Stay magical is very fitting for your business. Thank you again. Oh my God, Kaylani. Girl, don't make me cry. The moon's in Scorpio, and I think I have Jupiter and Pluto in Scorpio, so I'm feeling all my feels. I'm going deep with it. You feel me? Oh my God. Thank you so much. This is everything. Oh shit. Okay. It's everything. And I just want to let you know that I opened this after I sent out your package. I believe I sent it to Tuesday or Wednesday. It should have arrived today. I wanted to make sure that you got yours first before I opened this. So, yes. Okay, right off the bat. Ooh, child. Gypsy Soul. Bonfire Nights. Seaside Blossom 464. Oh, shit. And they're so nicely packaged. Oh my God. I'm excited. I love packages, y'all. I genuinely love gifts and packages. So if you ever want to send something, holler at your girl. Send a DM on Instagram @_naturallay. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's so much stuff in here. What the hell? Kaylani, you just spoil me. Ooh, are these wax melts? Look at these blue. I'm biased. Blue is my favorite color, in case you didn't know. Look at blue spruce and grapefruit and mangosteen. Girl, soy blend, girl. I got another reason to set my fire alarm off. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. You feel me? Oh, my God. Thank you. Wait a minute. These smell like heaven. If these smell like the place I came from, that's what it smells like. Oh, my God. Thank you, baby. Whoa, what is this? Oh, my. I don't want to cry on camera, but just know that everything you guys send means the absolute most. Like, seriously. Because y'all don't have to do this. Girl, stop. Lay of Hawaii scented soy blend candle, 9 ounces. Look at this. Look at this. I want to... Okay, my hype ass is now calm. Oh my God, this smells divine. Girl, this is everything. Thank you, baby. Oh my, I don't even know what I agreed to the swap for, but you out here showing out, so that's why I had to make this video, because I was like, she gonna show out. It's a bigger box. Yes, is this the one? Seesaw and Orchid. Okay, I see this cute tape. Let's take this off. But look at this. Look at the... Okay, I'm a sucker for packaging. If you know me, I went to school for graphic design and marketing with a degree. Not a degree. Well, I got a degree. I got a BA, but I also got a certificate in business skills for the artist. Let me tell you, this shit right here smells like magic. All of this smells like magic so far. I'm gonna cry, fam. I'm gonna cry. This smells so good. Oh my god. I can just, I don't even want to burn it. This smells so good. Look at this. Look at how perfect that is. It comes with a little warning label at the bottom. Hey, okay, on everything, this is probably the best smelling thing I've ever smelled in my life. Hand poured by Jason. Shout out to Jason. Hey, Jason. Come on now. Is that the J of K and J? We just figured it out. Kaylani and Jason, baby. Damn, this smells good. Do y'all... You can't smell it. I know. So that means you need to order one. And she didn't ask for this video. I'm doing this video on my own volition, of my own love. Oh my god. I got some... I can't even. Kaylani, why you showing out? Girl. We got another one. We got another one. And another one. Oh my god. Ooh. Sage and lavender scented soy blend candle. 9 ounces. Yes. I'm going to tell you off the rip. You need to, like, on everything. I don't promote very many people. I'm promoting K&J. You feel me? I'm going to deem myself a brand ambassador. That's how bomb this shit is. That smells like life. This smells like what I need right now. I need to cleanse out negative energy and then bring in that positive, calm energy. Oh my god. I feel so relaxed. Oh, Kaylani, thank you, baby. And there's more. Like, I can't. This is ridiculous. If this ain't the last thing, okay. The rest are peanuts. Okay. Oh my god. Ho, ho, ho. Because we sent this during the holiday season. Yep. Let me know if you know what song that's from. It's a Nicki Minaj song. I hate to just fuck up nice packaging and wrapping, but you got to. Okay, I'm gonna cry. The Antique Anatomy Tarot Deck and Guidebook for the Modern Reader, Claire Goodchild. Look at this! So, I'm gonna really try not to cry, but I'm just so grateful. Like, I was telling a really good friend of mine how tarot has been calling me. And I've seen that a lot of tarot readers get a deck gifted to them. I'm gonna fucking cry. I've been seeing that a lot of readers get decks gifted to them. And so I have my first tarot deck ever. And it's been calling me, and the divine is like, this is what you need to do. And I finally have a tarot deck. I'm so emotional. Oh my god. Thank you, Kaylani. Thank you. Look at this. Look at this. I can't even. I'm so excited. I'm so grateful. This means everything. This is just nothing but divine confirmation. Like, it's hot. It's hot in a mug right now. My throat is dry, so I'm gonna wrap this up. I didn't want this to be too long, but I had to show gratitude and unbox this live for her because I support her just as much as she supports me. Kaylani, I support you so much, and I'm so grateful for your love, and I'm so grateful for this box, and this is everything. I cannot wait to unbox this. I'm gonna do it off camera because I believe that this should be sacred. But for Terrell to be calling me and for you to send this is beyond my wildest dreams, yo. It's beyond. So I'm gonna end this here. Y'all need to hit up K&J Crafted, okay? AKA K&J _ handcrafted. Please support her. Everything she sends is magical, professionally packaged. Y'all know I'm a sucker for packaging. This is the best gift ever. Like, it's still Capricorn season, so I still feel like it's my birthday. So this is the best birthday gift of all time. Like, seriously. This is everything. Thank you. I am so good. Where's the camera? Thank you. I am so grateful. Please support her. Please follow at least. Check out what she does. You won't be disappointed. She's a beautiful goddess and fairy, and that's it. That is it. So stay magical always. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.